Hey guys, what is up? Good evening. UJ is making new highs. Gold melting. It was a pretty bad day for Indian markets, for the world market actually. Euro JPY is playing out pretty good. I'm still in this position. I'm waiting for price to clear this high so that I can trail my stop loss at break even. I think we can get some good setups in Euro AUD. Let's wait for it. I got stopped down in Euro NZD. Weekly time frame, previous weekly low is cleared. This is what I was waiting for. This is what I was waiting for here. Now it's gonna give us some good valid setups. Okay, I think I'm gonna gain long EURNZD. Let's validate this using multi-time frame analysis. In daily time frame, overall trend is pretty much bullish. We are currently above 50 EMA, 20 EMA, and we are trying to go above 10 EMA also. In weekly perspective, the previous weekly low is cleared, and after this whole impulsive drop, clearance of this liquidities, we are trying to move higher, and it's highly possible that we're going to clear this high. It's possible that we're going to keep moving downside to clear a new lower low, to create a new lower low, but overall, if I just look at the moving averages right now, it's giving me some really strong bullish vibe. So it's better if I just focus on long setups. If any long setup fail, if price managed to close below the 1020 EMA in weekly time frame, then I will start looking for shorts and target towards this low. But for now, it's above 1020 EMA and the environment is pretty much bullish, and I'm looking for longs and target. I want to target towards this high. In monthly perspective, oh, that's pretty amazing. The previous monthly high, we can target for the previous monthly high and this high. We still have like 23 days left. But man, now right now after clearing the previous weekly low, it's a really high probability trade setup. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna risk like a little higher in this one. Usually I risk 0.5% of my equity, but in this trade I want to risk around like 0.75 or zero point 0.1 like or 1%. No, I'm gonna go with 0.75 because this is looking pretty amazing. The previous weekly low is cleared. Let's see what's going on in daily perspective. Yeah, if we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, it's getting some good rejection. The only problem is we have only 4 hours left for the daily candle to close, and if the daily candle is going to close like this as a bearish candle, in that case, it's possible that the next daily candle will open and complete this whole week and go below the previous daily low. That's a bad thing. That's a negative point. But we're getting some really good rejection, and even though it's better if I just wait for price to close above 10 EMA before I go long. But still, I think I'm gonna get in right now. If price manage to go above and close above 10 EMA, in that case I will add another add on to this position. For now, I'm gonna go with a zero point 0.5, my usual risk, and I'm gonna target towards this high. So that's my plan for Euro NZD. Let's see how it unfolds. So definitely Euro NZD in my watch list. Euro CHF, there is nothing in Euro CHF. I was planning for this long, but I didn't take it maybe. Yeah, we can target for this highs. Let's clean them out. We can target for this highs. We are beautifully bouncing above 1020 EMA. Weekly perspective, we are currently bouncing above 1020 EMA also. It's just crossing over, and there's like the divergence is starting, which is the 10 EMA is just crossing over 20. So it's a bullish sign overall, and it's highly possible that we're gonna go above this high. Price failed to create a new lower low and going towards upside. Price failed to clear this high, dropped, and it's possible that we're again trying to clear this high. Monthly is pretty amazing. The monthly is clearly saying that man, our price really wants to go higher above this high. So that's also a good setup, but for now there is no good entry. Okay, we are already extended towards upside. If price managed to give us some good correction and then some good rejection towards upside, in that case I will start looking for longs. For now I'm just focusing on this one. I'm just ignoring if I'm already long in euro using like euro JPY. So I think if I long euro and ZD, my risk is already increasing in euro side. So I need to be a little careful if I just try to long euro CHF. Okay, let's see what's going on in euro CAD. There is nothing interesting. GJ was amazing. This trade was amazing for like this was the best trade for the week. Best trade of the week. Undoubtedly 200 pip move. Amazing. Initially the trade was like running into a loss for like for about like 2 3 5 4 hour candle, but then the move was amazing, beautiful. Like in this kind of situations, like you really need patience. Price went almost towards take profit, then give me some really good correction, like, but still I decided to hold the position with a break even stop, because I know that I'm targeting towards like if I'm targeting this, I just don't want to mess with my like stats. I just want to stick with 1:3 sword ratio. If it end up hitting the break even, I'm completely fine with it. Give me break even or give me three or nothing between this. Okay, and there was a reason, like USD JPY was also moving upside, so there was no reason that I just want to close this position. The USD JPY was giving some good rejection, so yeah, it was valid. Like there was logical, it was a logical holding, honestly, not a ego holding. It was completely logical. GBP CAD, man, I was planning for this trade also, but look at this, how beautifully the 10 it is bouncing from 10 EMA. Look how beautifully we get, like this trade was amazing. Again, if we drop off Fibonacci on this move, then we are bouncing from almost 61.8. Like market repeat this pattern over and over and over again. Right now, again, if we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move in intraday time frames, then we are bouncing from 61.8, and it's highly possible that we're going to clear this high and create a new high. But we're just too much extended towards upside, and there is no clean buy side liquidity that we can target. Like it's too old liquidities, like from 2016, so it's not that valid. So I'm just ignoring it. I'm just waiting for a deeper correction so that I can again start looking for longs. For now, GCAD is a skip, even though it's a good setup actually, but just because there is no reason to hold higher, I'm ignoring it. uh GBPNZ, I think I missed something really beautiful over here. We can clearly we're gonna clear this eye undoubtedly tomorrow. GBPAUD, yeah, pretty much clear buy side liquidity over here. We're trading towards this high. Oh man, I missed a lot of trading opportunities this week, man. It was a beautiful setup. GBP CHF is moving higher. AUD CAD, AUD JPY, we can target for this highs. uh Price is closing above 1020 EMA right now and getting some really good rejection from this level. Okay, I was initially planning for a long, but it was not that significant correction. And like what I wait for a decent correction towards at least like 61.8 and then a good rejection. It's just bouncing from at around this level, so it's not a valid setup. Even if I just go into the lower time frame, still it's not there. There is no valid structure. If I put my Fibonacci on this one, it's still not decently good correction into into a discounted price, so it's a skip. AUD CHF, nothing. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna focus on Euro and ZD right now. And let's see how it unfolds, guys. See you soon on the next session. Have a great day.